Arthur C. Clarke, the famous science fiction writer, once said that any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. And it is this magic of technology that is nurtured and fostered at the IITs, world's premier educational institution. Their joint entrance examinations, popularly called the JEEs, are one of the toughest to score in. An estimated 3 lakh plus students take this examination every year for an available of just 7,200 seats. The odds are terrible and the competition is fierce. But with the right attitude and training, impossible is nothing. And this is the core philosophy at Bansal Classes. Bansal Classes provides the ideal platform from which aspiring IITians can launch their career. Students train at their flagship study center at Kota, along with the 2 other centers at Jaipur and Ajmer. Together, these 3 centers churn out a remarkable number of young IITians. And it all began with just one student, Mr. V.K. Bansal. The man behind this edifying venture set up Bansal Classes in 1984 in the beautiful city of Kota, Rajasthan. What began as a coaching class from home quickly flourished into a world-class educational center. He paved the path for students aspiring to walk through the hallowed halls of IIT. Mr. Bansal became an aspiration to thousands, guiding them and mentoring them towards newer heights.
It is glad to share with you. Now, Bansal Classes welcomes mega team of Vibrant Academy. First time in the history of Kota. Largest pool of IIT JEE. Talented faculties for talented students. Is again with us under one roof. Bansal's historic move for Latur scholars. Kota's #1 National Institute in Latur. Now, Latur is also one of the center of Bansal Classes. NEEV, a pre-foundation program. Courses are Junior Brilliant for 6th standard, Brilliant for 7th standard, Octagon for 8th standard, Pearl for 9th standard, Zenith for 10th standard. Bringing the smiles of the future. Teacher opens the door, but you must enter by yourself. Today, with the modern structure and state-of-the-art facilities, Bansal classes enjoys an enviable reputation across the globe. Reception. To assist with parent service and office support needs at the fire department reception area. Center heads chamber to supervise and to update the ideas for the growth of the institution. Counseling area. We have counseling area for students. Counseling is the service offered to the individual who is undergoing problem and needs professional help to overcome it. AC classrooms. We are going to provide AC classroom to students. EDP classroom for teachers. Doubt solving session. We have in our timetable DSP period. In that, students can ask their doubts and teachers will solve their problems. Smart board facility. Also, we are having smart board facility by using new technique to clear the concepts of the students by using smart board. Getting an admission at Bansal classes is another ballgame. The administrative team at Bansals is another example of their positive approach towards education. The team overlooks all students' affairs and tries to solve all student-related problems, especially during exam time. We have already conducted Catalyst workshop and orientation program which was held on 11th of Feb 2017 and 12th of Feb 2017 in Latur from Bansal classes, Kota. In that, effective lectures taken by teachers, team of Kota and cleared all the concepts to the students. Students also responded to the teachers after getting the concept clear. There was a effective interactive session between students and teacher. All teachers adopt effective teaching technique for students to make them understand all concepts. We have conducted scholarship exam. In scholarship exam, we offered scholarship to 150 students. In scholarship exam, 5 subjects are there. In physics, chemistry, mathematics, mental ability, biology. To be able to qualify scholarship exam for the selection test, the selection criteria and the lucky for you make it in. The Bansals are pioneer and visionaries. Bansal classes develop the daily practice program popularly known as DPP, which solved by the students and the same are discussed in the class. The faculty is extremely provisioned and highly ranked. They do not shy over for using modern teaching techniques and strategies, thus fostering a proactive student-teacher relationship. We have excellent team of teachers from Neve division of Bansal classes, Kota. Meet our teachers.
Myself, Anuj Jain, BTech from Arya College of Engineering and IIT Jaipur, having 3-year experience from Bansal Classes Private Limited, Kota.
Hi, I am Sanjay Kumar, PhD from Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. I am teaching biology and I have 3-year experience from Bansal classes, Kota.
Hi, my name is Mutiram. I am physics faculty in Bansal class Kota. I have 6 years experience in Bansal classes.
Hi, I am Tapankar Pandit, BTech from NSSC Kolkata and 5 years teaching experience physics in Bansal classes, Kota.
Hi, myself Saraswati Gandhari. I have completed my MA BEd in history. I have 2 years experience from Mumbai Green Lawns English Medium. Now I have 4 years experience in Bansal classes from Kota.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Sarmila Das. I have experience of teaching English not only in India but abroad for past 15 years, and even I have a great experience with the attachment of Bansal classes Kota, and my qualification is MA English MEd.
Hello, I am Dinwandu Kumar, BTech from MIT Pune, Mathematics faculty. I have 3-year experience at Bansal class, Kota, Rajasthan.
NEEV, a pre-foundation program. Bansal classes. Head office A10, Gaurav Tower, Road number 1, IPIA, Kota, 324005, Rajasthan. Phone number 8875234593. Latur Study Center. Address Plot number 2, Vimal Girls Hostel, Signal Camp, Latur. Landline 02382 245 700. Mobile number 9834 058 584.